Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And you guys might notice the quality is a little bit different. I'm actually recording this off my phone. I'm waiting on a friend. I'm in the Target parking lot. We live about 50 minutes from each other, so I was in the area, so I figured, or he figured that he'd just come over here and meet me so I can help him do the spoiler install. So I'm just gonna wait on him for that, and should be in the next couple minutes. I'm gonna take some quick clips of it, and then I'll just kind of upload everything on here, and we'll just see how the install is and how the car looks with the spoiler, because I think it really needs it. The butt look a little bit naked. So big shout out to Suvneer for sending this out.
Oh no, I can't.
The fucking thing be like.
Nah, you'll be fine. Yeah, that's not fun.
Yeah, this.
Okay, now you can wipe it.
Perfect in 12 Eldridge, let's go.
You got to do a slow cinematic.
That's what. When I show people the video of the car, like when you're washing the car, and he's like, "You're not washing that car. They're just fucking touching it." Because I'm like, because you did that slow cinematic.
Yeah.
I touched it with water.
Stink.
Touched it with soap. Yes, take this.
Better?
I'm a nerd neck. I don't know what's better or worse.
It looks a lot different.
Tackle football!
Yeah, the angle from right here, if we get down from that angle,
Yeah.
looks good.
Cattle's doing creep. Put in your spoiler, and then you're like.
Oh yeah, I didn't even start on those. I didn't even get a chance to.
I figured that because I was like, no,
We got the push start going on that matches the brake calipers. You can get this from Keys Motorsports if anybody's interested. Today we're going to be picking up a new hood for the E36. The reason why I've always had that bra on is because there's a dent on it. So I finally found one without a dent, and I really didn't want to fix this one just because I didn't want to go through the hassle of doing the body work. So the other one, if the paint's not good, at least I know all I have to do is just paint it. So we're going to go ahead and take this hood off first, ride to my friend's house if he picks up. If not, then we're just going to have to make the whole trip up there without a hood. Alright guys, so we got the hood off. With the hood off, it actually has an extra 10 horsepower because the intake can get a lot more air now. Yeah, we're gonna go see if hopefully we can make this drive without any issues. Oop, can't see me. I don't know if it's illegal to drive without a hood or not, but I've seen plenty of people do it. So we're gonna go ahead and do it, have some fun with it, probably take a couple pictures, and yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks with the hood on. I'm excited to actually see it with the full white hood on. So it's something I've been wanting to do for a while now. So we'll go ahead and get on the road, and then I'll see you guys. I'll show you guys once we get the hood back. All right, guys. So here's the hood on. I still have to line it up a little bit better. It's got a bigger gap on this side, but I just kind of put it on there quickly with the help from the other guy. It's still dirty, but it looks way better without that bra. All right, guys. So we're almost home. I decided to stop by and give it a quick rinse over here. We're gonna see if the pressure washer can actually clean some of this off without scrubbing it too much, but I'm actually already liking the way it looks. Just line it up and then eventually probably try to take this tape off, which might be a pain. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it, so I'll have to figure that out later. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and see if I can get this cleaned off. Alright, so here's an update on the hood so far. As you guys can see, it's still a little bit dirty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that bucket and use a mitt and actually scrub it. And the wash that I went to was actually kind of weak, so it didn't really get as much as I would have expected, but it did get a good chunk of it off. So I'm gonna scrub it, wipe it down, and then I'll worry about lining it up later on. It sits kind of high over here versus this side, so I think it's just a matter of lining it up and everything. But I think I'm gonna scrub it first and see where it's at, and then I might end up sanding it down or clay barring it. I don't know, I might sand it down a little bit and then try to buff it. This is actually going to be a little bit complicated because whoever did this, whatever it was, the sun got to it, and as you guys can see, it's cracking. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this off until I actually end up painting the car. So I guess this blue line is going to end up staying. For right now, I don't plan on painting the car anytime soon. I did want to wait until the summer, but it looks like it might end up being a little bit sooner because this thing is going to end up bothering me a lot more than I think. But I'm just kind of going to play it off and see how it goes. I might try to wrap the car, I'm not too sure.